Let us look at the drug sales of just one state, Kerala. It is 36,000 crores, whose net profit is about 7,000 crores, of which 10% is about 700 crores per year. 10% of that total drug sales profit, net profit. Now, can't that be kept as a CSR? Isn't that what all major organizations do? Corporate social responsibility. From where the drug sales come from? From doctors. Does it come? Does the ordinary man go and buy drugs directly? Entire sales is through doctors, and can that 10% of the total sales be kept not by a company specific but into a common pool as a corporate social responsibility, so that doctors can directly apply to go for a conference anywhere in the world, not pertaining to a particular company? It is a common pool kept by a particular legal entity. Any doctor can apply to it, and they will directly pay the conference fees, accommodation, and travel for any doctor. 700 crores is there for the asking. Isn't that not enough? Can, through the meager earnings of a doctor, can any doctor go for any conference anywhere in the world without a second thought? No, it's just not possible. And then they expect doctors to be up to date and be at the cutting edge of knowledge. How is all that possible? When the practice income is meager, and there is no social recognition, no benefit whatsoever, and on top of that, doctors are expected to keep abreast. Isn't this a wonderful plan? That the entire drug sales, there is a corporate social responsibility for the welfare of the doctors themselves, not through a specific company sponsorship that will bring in unethical practice. No, it is a common pool maintained by a legal entity. Any doctor wanting to go anywhere in the world, apply to it. The registration, the accommodation, and the travel will be met from this fund. 700 crores a year per year in one state alone. Isn't that not enough? Jointly, can we do this and bring it about so that our doctors get to be at the cutting edge of knowledge and is well versed in the most recent advances in science wherever it happens, anywhere in the world? Shall we jointly do it? Thank you.